Alright, so right here I got the PS4 Pro controller. I took it apart according to the YouTube videos. So I had this problem with my left joystick getting stuck. Mostly while I was playing Monster Hunter World. I'll be like looking around and then I stop and then she keeps looking. I forgot in which direction. So yeah, so I looked up. I don't know, just a random day, and I just kind of like looked up how to clean a PS4 Pro controller. Cause I'm thinking there's dirt inside, right? And then I looked at like one video, then I looked at another video, and basically that first video I saw was pretty much it. I didn't need nothing else to get it to understand what to do. There were variations in the controller that was on the video in mine, very minute, very minute. The second video I did see had a big variation where this part, the middle part, was connected directly to the plastic, the part of the plastic. But I guess they changed. I guess PlayStation made it easier to work on these. I guess people send them back and then they themselves at the shop. Are working on them, so I guess it made it easier. That's how I think about it. So I looked up this video on how to clean it, how to take it apart. So I was very careful, and basically by cleaning these little tabs right here, like I said, take a Q-tip, dip it in alcohol, and just clean it. He first did say to blow it out with air, but I don't. My air can is empty, and I don't really feel like getting my compressor, and that's what I should do. Get the compressor and hook it up and just blow air through it. But for right now, I'm just gonna do the alcohol part. Just kind of like to clean it, just get it in there. All he did was just dip it in alcohol and then put it in there, but it's like a fat head, bro, for the Q-tip. So what I'm doing is I didn't see this on the video, but life experience and stuff, like, pull it out a little bit and try to create a thinner part that I could use to get in there. So yeah, this is all YouTube videos, bro. Like, I want to learn something. I just look it up on. It used to be like you online. You find anything online, then sometimes most of the information will be on YouTube. Like, not all of it, but nowadays it seems like there's more and more information on YouTube on how to do things. So instead of like sending the controller back and seeing if there's warranty and stuff like that, like, according to life skills I had and life skills I've learned and my experience in life, I take a look at the video and see if I can do it myself, and I would have a general idea if I could do it myself, which usually I can pretty much. I like to learn. Spend a lifetime learning stuff. I like to learn stuff. Play with a lot of Legos as a little kid. I be saying that, but people don't get it. People don't get why I say it. I used to build Legos as a kid. You gotta follow the instructions and ask the pictures and just go there and just go that, and it's the same thing with YouTube, or same thing as, like, let's say something as complicated as an engine, as a motorcycle. motorcycle engine, let's say, um, there's books that say, oh, step by step how to do it, just like Legos, just like building a Lego, just like building a Lego. Anyways, right now what I'm doing is I'm just making sure. Um, I try to get the spots in there. I guess what I've been talking, I've been analyzing too. So go like that, but then I'm just trying, bro. Just trying to, you can get the sides, the top and the side. You can't really get like deep on the side. See, there's a switch right here, so you get a little bit on the side, but you can't get deep up in there because it's got to bend some more, and you're not trying to mess the controller completely. I don't mind spending, 2-3 Q-tips. Got plenty of Q-tips. Not saying you gotta be wasteful, like just run through a bunch of Q-tips like you don't care about the world getting dirty. But you just want to make sure you do a good job, or at least the best you can. The best of your knowledge, the best you can. Like I said, this is all just learning off of YouTube. I'm gonna look for the videos and post it on the description, so in case you need to follow it. And that reminds me of like in college when you writing an essay and you gotta cite your sources at the end. You got your sources cited page. Like this is where I got my information. So anybody who reads my paper could then go back and look at the information where I got it from. And read it for themselves, or at least that this is the quality sources that I looked at and where I got my information at. Same thing I'm doing here on YouTube, where it's like, at least with this video, where it's like, I want to learn something, I look it up on YouTube. I look several videos. Usually it's like 5-10 videos, sometimes 15, just enough to get the information. But sometimes you got for example, like this one, just happened to see one video, and it was good enough. It was great enough. So I'm going to cite it because this video is really about me going on YouTube and learning something, and then showing you that I went on YouTube and learned it. I guess as with time where I get more experience in doing the videos, I will know how to better do it, how to better explain just the quality overall. I go ahead and look back at my videos and see how I could improve. So it's just about those overall qualities. Okay, so what happened here? Okay, so alright. I'm satisfied right now. Now the issue that came up here is these white things in here. This is like a shark fin. There's like a fin, and then you have a hole that goes in there, like just the right size, like this rectangle in, and that's a rectangular hole. Now this one, while I was cleaning, it turned sideways. Now I don't know which part goes up and which part goes down. I think so. I'm looking at this one because this part here, the fin here is like that, but the hole here is like that. So on each side it's a different shape. So So I'll take a look at this one, take out the shape, check out the shape. And it seems like, actually it almost looks like a Millennium Falcon, where this is the back of it, and then the front is over here. So, I'm guessing that that's how this is gonna be. Millennium Falcon, boosters on the top part, and cockpit to the front. Alright, so I just twisted it. I don't know if it came out on video. Like I said, I'll get better at these. And basically I'm just gonna put it back, or actually, I'm gonna leave it out. Let's get the compressor, bro, and blow it. If you go blow it like this, try to not blow spit. That's something else I learned with doing art. Art is my thing. You know, let's say I erase. I'm working on a project and I erase it. If I go like this to blow off what I erase, there's a chance to get water on what I'm working on. So I don't blow my artwork. This one, I don't know. Like I said, I'm just doing this thing about YouTube, learning stuff on YouTube, and do it. I would let it dry, but maybe I'll leave it I would leave it like 24 hours or something. And then tomorrow put it together, just give it enough time to air out. Okay, so what's happening here is this one, it's in there. It doesn't look like it's coming out. This one looks like, yeah. Looks like it's not staying in there. Watch out. So I moved a little bit, so I'm just reshaping it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the video here and just leave it out to dry. Tomorrow I just check. I mean, you don't have to leave it to dry like tomorrow. But I'll give it an hour or two or whatever. Oh, there it goes. Now it fits in there now. Still wanna come out because I guess it's like there's a spring on there. Now in the video, the guy shows that these might come out, and then if somehow the controller's not working, it's because like these round metal parts that are inside attached to this white part, they get bent. So it's kind of like you gotta bend them back into place in case your joystick's not working after you do this process. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna be back in about 2 hours and put it together. And then what I'll do is I'll put this video and the other video together on a video editing program, one of those free ones. So I'm just doing simple YouTube, like just do I don't need any like fancy video editing software right now. Like one of those free ones, just so I could like splice together different videos of how to. All right, so quick wrap up. Yeah, just rewind the video. All right, I was talking right, but like I said, I'll get the videos right. I'll get the system right. Yo.